video, we are going to see about Prim's algorithm. Actually, is algorithm which is like greedy algorithm used to find the minimum spanning tree that has been connected with a undirected graph. Okay, so it is all about like what is a minimum spanning tree of edges that connects all vertices together without any cycles or within the minimum possible total edge weight. So first of all, let me explain you the code and I'll be seeing the process how it works. So here it is like the header file stdio.h as we are using printf, and so that's will be just doing that. And next one will be your std bool. Since we are using it out true or false, to use to work with that you are going to use std bool. So we are defining the inf, that is will be defining at the first itself defined as n and n triple 9 to represent infinity, like mean for comparison purposes like edges. Okay, so next one it is like this is your adjacency matrix to represents the graph here. It's your adjacency matrix which we have been given it here. It's g of v and v. It's the v in the sense of number of vertices. Okay, wow. So that is how we'll be just giving. Even v of v, it is I and j in each set. I, it is your vertex, and like edge between the I and as well as j. So that is int main of your top of the program. Int no edge. No edge means the track of how many edges are being included. The edges, how many edges are being included in the minimum spanning tree will be representing, I mean we are giving a variable as no edge. Now selected v, set selected false in what is that, initially. It's the array that marks whether a vertex has been included or not. It will be determined here. So after all these process, we have the loop, while loop. Here it is like while no edge is less than v minus 1. There the like it exactly v minus 1 edges where v is the number of vertices. Okay, the loop contains until no edge becomes what, v minus 1. No edge will become v minus 1 until that the loop will be continuing here. Okay, the next one will be for the iteration we are using while loop as I have told before, and edge will be the minimum stored here. This is the end when is equal to inf, it will be checking it out the minimum value. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. We are been initializing it out there, and yeah. So the edge with the minimum value weight is stored, and the vertices, minimum value and the vertices are stored in the sense of x and y here. The minimum value is reset to inf at the start of the loop and the end of the loop. So this is the loop which will be describing here. So if I is equal to 0, I greater than v, I plus plus. If selected I in the sense of that, what happens? If it is true, the loop will be continuing it out. Then as usual the print statements here. So for example, let's see how the algorithm works. Okay, so we have vertex pair 0, 1, 0, 2, and according to that we have weight also. And also we have what are the steps which will be included. I see algorithm here. First of all, you have to have the graph, that is graph having vertices. This is what. Okay, wow. You have, see, in the tree you are going to find, if you have tree, okay, wow. In that tree you are going to find the minimum spanning tree. Like if you go in this side, it will be minimum cost. That is what you are going to find in the entire Prim's algorithm. Repeat until minimum spanning tree will be considered as. Okay, so once v minus 1 is entered, the loop will be started. What? A loop will be ended here. That is how they are going to tell it out. So this is what the Prim's algorithm works like this. In case if you have very detailed about